Welcome to the Fundamentals of AI Integration. After watching this video, you will be able to analyze core AI integration principles and evaluate their alignment with pedagogical goals, apply AI tools effectively in lesson planning, content delivery, assessment, and administrative tasks, and implement AI-driven strategies to enhance student engagement and streamline teaching workflows. You'll also be able to evaluate the effective integration of AI in teaching by identifying best practices and common pitfalls. Imagine having an assistant that streamlines lesson planning, enhances student engagement, and automates administrative tasks without compromising your teaching style. In this video, you'll explore the fundamentals of AI integration and how to seamlessly incorporate AI tools into your classroom for maximum impact. Get ready to transform your teaching with smart, effective AI strategies. AI in education sounds futuristic, but it's happening right now. The key isn't just using AI, but integrating it in a way that actually helps you teach better. You can do this by breaking it down into 3 simple principles. Number 1 is purpose-driven integration. AI should support your teaching, not replace it. The goal is to align AI tools with your learning objectives. Think of it as a smart assistant, helping you with lesson planning, content creation, and assessments, but you're the one driving it. Select AI tools that support your teaching goals and curriculum requirements. Use AI to augment your existing successful methods rather than completely changing them. Keep student achievement and understanding as the primary measure of success. The second principle is to take it slow, that is, gradual implementation. You should begin with small tasks, such as AI-generated quizzes or lesson plan suggestions. Your focus should be on building confidence with small wins before taking on more complex integrations. As you grow comfortable and competent, you should gradually increase your AI usage. Don't forget to monitor what's working and tweak it as needed. AI integration is a journey, not a one-time setup. The third principle is where you make AI work for you. That is, workflow integration. The best AI tools fit seamlessly into your routine and do not add more work. Think about where AI can actually save you time, such as automated grading, streamlining communication, or even generating classroom resources. Identify natural integration points. That is, where does AI fit into what you're already doing? Streamline processes using AI to make your work more manageable and efficient. Stay authentic. Use AI to support your teaching style, not change it. When it comes to integrating AI into teaching, there are some key areas where it can really make a difference. First up, lesson planning. AI can help generate initial drafts for lesson content, making it easy to adapt materials for different learning levels. It's also great for developing extra resources, such as examples, practice exercises, and engaging activities. Plus, it can assist in crafting assessments that align with learning objectives, ensuring students are tested effectively. Then, in content delivery, AI can generate slides, handouts, and reference materials to support learning. It also helps create interactive exercises and multimedia resources, such as AI-generated videos with Synthesia. When needed, you can implement inclusive learning tools, such as Microsoft's Immersive Reader, to ensure accessibility for all students. Next, assessment and feedback. AI-powered tools, including TeachFlow, can generate quizzes, assist in evaluating assignments, and even provide constructive feedback. Plus, AI can help track student progress over time, giving us valuable insights into their learning journey. In administrative tasks, AI can streamline lesson planning, organize teaching materials, and even assist with communication, whether it's drafting emails, announcements, or parent updates. It's also a game changer for record keeping, ensuring student progress is accurately documented and easily accessible. Implementing AI in teaching requires a clear and strategic approach. Start by focusing on a single area, such as lesson planning, assessment, or content delivery. Choose AI tools that align with your specific needs and establish clear objectives based on the pedagogical value criteria. It's also essential to define success metrics to track progress and make informed adjustments. Once a solid foundation is in place, look for opportunities to expand. Document effective practices, identify additional areas where AI can add value, and scale successful implementations. Challenges may arise, but addressing them early will help maintain smooth integration. A strong support system is also key. leverage training resources, engage with educator communities, and share insights with colleagues. Most importantly, seek feedback from students and peers to continuously refine and enhance your approach. To use AI effectively in education, it's important to follow a few best practices. First, always verify AI-generated content before using it. While AI can be a great tool, it's essential to review and refine its outputs to ensure accuracy and relevance. Next, maintain human oversight. AI can support the learning process, but educators should always have the final say in decision-making, a key principle we discussed when exploring AI tools for education. It's also important to keep students informed. Be transparent about how AI is being used in their learning, especially when it comes to data privacy and tool functionality. Finally, document your processes. Keeping records of how AI is implemented and its impact will help refine strategies and demonstrate its effectiveness over time. It's also important to be aware of common pitfalls and how to avoid them. First, don't over-rely on AI. While it's a powerful tool, it should support, not replace, critical teaching functions. Educators should always remain in control of decision-making. Next, always verify AI-generated content. Using AI outputs without review can lead to inaccuracies, so take the time to validate information before applying it in the classroom. Another common mistake is rushing implementation. Trying to do too much at once can be overwhelming. Instead, start small, refine your approach, and expand gradually. Lastly, don't neglect training. Investing time in learning how to use AI tools effectively will ensure you get the most out of them and integrate them in meaningful ways. In this video, you learned that to integrate AI to help you teach better can be done using 3 simple principles: purpose-driven integration, gradual implementation, and workflow integration. There are some key teaching areas where you can integrate AI, such as lesson planning, content delivery, assessment and feedback, and administrative tasks. To implement AI in teaching, at the starting point, you must choose an area of focus and then select the appropriate AI tool. Then, you must chalk out a growth path by documenting successful practices and identifying expansion opportunities. Finally, you should also consider support systems, such as accessing training resources and joining user communities. To use AI effectively in education, follow best practices such as verifying AI-generated content and maintaining human oversight. You must also avoid pitfalls such as over-reliance on AI and ignoring verification.